In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Salesforce Lightning in 2025 using a clear, step-by-step process. For anyone who frequently uses Salesforce, knowing how to efficiently upload files is a must. This process ensures all your documents are in one place, allowing you to stay organized and improve your collaboration within your team. Let's start by heading to the home page of Salesforce. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials and access your Salesforce dashboard. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the familiar layout that includes various components and tools you use every day in your business operations. Next, you need to find the app launcher. The app launcher is your go-to portal to navigate through the various applications available within Salesforce. You can find it by looking for the grid icon, commonly referred to as the waffle icon, located on your navigation bar. When you click on it, a menu will pop up displaying all the apps you have access to. Now look for the Accounts section within the app launcher. Clicking on Accounts will redirect you to a page where all your account information is stored. Accounts act like a central hub where you can manage client information, track interactions, and importantly, upload files related to specific clients or business entities. Once you are in the Accounts section, you need to select a specific account name to which you want to upload the files. It's important to choose the correct account to ensure the right documents are being stored in the correct place. Navigating through your list of accounts should be straightforward, as they are typically organized based on your most recent interactions or other filtering criteria you might have set. After selecting the account, you'll arrive at the account details page. Here is where you'll locate the option to upload files, typically towards the bottom of the page. You'll see a button labeled Upload Files. Click on it, and a new dialog box will appear, prompting you to choose files from your device that you wish to upload. It's a good practice to ensure the files are named appropriately before uploading, making it easier for anyone accessing them later to understand their content at a glance. Choose your file by navigating through your computer's directory or simply dragging and dropping them into the upload area. Before finalizing the upload, double-check that you've selected the correct files. Once you're satisfied with your selection, proceed with the upload. There you have it, a simple yet comprehensive way to upload files to Salesforce Lightning. This capability is essential for maintaining an organized digital workspace, making it easier to manage accounts and collaborate with teammates. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to like, subscribe, and check out our other Salesforce tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.